Welcome back to Design Bundle's YouTube channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Crystal, and today we are going to sublimate on socks. These socks are actually designed for sublimation. They come with these cardboard inserts right inside, but if you guys have socks that are polyester or poly blend, you can definitely sublimate on those as well. So like I said, what's really cool about these, they already have the cardboard inside for you ready to go. This is what's going to help your sock be nice and flat and ready to be sublimated on. So we've got our socks here, and we're actually going to sublimate on the bottom because right now over on the Plus membership, there is a great graphics bundle that has tons of them, and I thought these would be cute on the socks. So it says, "More booze, please." And then I have a little ghost here that says boo. It's got an outline you'll see whenever we press it. And I just thought that these would be super cute on the socks. So you're gonna need some heat tape, your socks, your design, and a heat press. We have it set for 370 degrees for 50 seconds. So let's go ahead and get our socks ready here. So all you simply wanna do is you wanna pull the moisture out of these first. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna line these up on our press. And then I'm going to go ahead and pre-press. I'm going to go ahead and lock this down. We're going to pre-press for around 5 to 10 seconds. This is going to smooth everything out and pull out that moisture. Next, we want to lint roll. So I'm just going to go ahead and lint roll both of these socks to remove any sort of lint. I've got my heat tape here. This is Cricut brand. This is a question I get a lot, so I thought I would answer it today. This is a Scotch tape dispenser. You guys can see it does like a 360, and you can actually clamp it onto your table, and then you can just kind of pull your tape off. I get a lot of questions on this, and I get it on Amazon. I'll have it linked down below, and like I said, the name of this is Scotch. All right, so what we're going to do is I'm going to go ahead and get my first design right about here, and then we're just going to go ahead and tape it down. And we're going to repeat the same thing for the next one. All right, so we are ready to go. I'm going to go ahead and load these into our press. Just like so. We're going to cover it with a parchment paper, and then we're just going to go ahead and press these for 50 seconds. The heat press I'm using today, this is a craft press. It's actually from Stalls. This is their smaller press here, so this is the baby to this one right here. And I got mine on Heat Transfer Warehouse. I'll have it linked down below for you guys. All right, so now we are ready. Let's pop it open really quickly. All right, so now we are ready to move our socks out of here. So what we're simply going to do is go ahead and peel these off just like so. Let me go ahead and get the next one. And just like that, we have a super cute pair of socks for this Halloween. How adorable is this? More booze, please. And then it's a super cute ghost that says boo. But like I said, this little bundle, I'll have it linked down below for you guys. It has tons of different graphics, and I just paired these two together for these socks, and I think it came out super cute. But with this graphics, you can create stickers and all sorts of different things. You can put them on t-shirts. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, please hit the like button down below and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.